Hello, in this video I will show you how to put SIM card into OUKITEL WP20. So to put SIM card and SD card inside this phone, you have to have a SIM tray key, just like this one. And now you have to open this cover. And here you have SIM tray, and you have to put your SIM key into this hole and then press down. Now you have to take out the SIM tray out of your device. It's a bit tricky because this phone is very thick. Yes, and now you have to put your SIM card on this tray and your SD card right here. Just like this. And now put it back inside. Okay, and now let's check if my SIM card works. And as you can see right here, I have network bars, so this means that my SIM card now works. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.